I have to tell you, and this is, in my background, I come from two worlds, and my mom is English, Scotch, Dutch, and German. She's from the Capital District region, Skiff, maiden name. My father's from the island of Puerto Rico. His father was a blonde, blue-eyed Spaniard, and his wife was native to the island. And I can tell you that family, both families, value the strength of the individual and empowering the individual. So our goal as a society should be not how do we maintain, and like Rome used to do with bread and circuses. We'll feed them just enough to keep them occupied, we'll entertain them, and then we can do whatever we want with our country. Our belief and our practice should be focusing on the individual. And families are different and structures are different, but we focus on the individual, give them skills, give them opportunity, give them education, and then let them become productive citizens. And all of our programming, all that we do, should be not on the bread and circus model, but on teaching that person how to fish so that they can provide for themselves. And that's the model we should be espousing. And instead of just going to get along, we should be looking at all these structures and redetermining how we provide incentives for education and for work training and connecting that to the jobs, because if the jobs aren't there, all that's for naught. So there has to be a connection with the real world employment. And that model needs to be revisited for that purpose. That's my belief.
I know it's getting late, and I want to introduce two people that came here who we support. Chip Tallier for County Judge. I want him to stand. Yeah. And we also support Peter Marcoux. Peter Marcoux, County Treasurer. You can meet with them and talk with them after the meeting's over. I think it's getting late. We're going to have probably one more question if anybody wants to ask it.